Have you ever wondered why you exported a SharePoint list into a CSV or an Excel file and you realized you didn't get all the columns you wanted? I was once in this situation where I needed to archive a SharePoint list and I needed some columns to be in this SharePoint list, and I realized that after exporting it several times, I still got the default view. So in SharePoint, we have views, and with views, you can toggle between which kind of data you want to see at any point in time. So let's jump straight into SharePoint and show you how to create custom views aside the default view created for you by SharePoint. Let's go. So once you come to SharePoint, this is a book approvals SharePoint list. You have the default views you see here, but you can add more. So let's add a view. So you click on this gear icon, you click on list settings, and in this list settings, you scroll down, and you see view, right? Views. A view of a list allows you to see particular selection of items or to see the items sorted in a particular order, right? So let's create a view. So there are many view types, and you go with the standard view type, which is similar to the all item view. So you click on standard view, and with this standard view, give it all columns. We will name it all columns, and we will make it a default view, and we will make it you make it as a public view that any member of the SharePoint of that SharePoint site will be able to see that particular view. And once you scroll down, we have 1 to 4, which is the title, book author, book title, and approval status. And these are the columns that SharePoint have in the default view. All right, so we can uncheck them and check them. It depends on what you want to see. All right, so but I want to, aside these 4 columns, I need the created by. I also need the modify by. These are the columns I need to include in this particular view. All right, so we have this default sort and filter sections, but I'll leave it to a default. All right, so let's click on okay. So yes, so we have the all columns. In the all columns, you can see the created by, modify by. It looks nice, very nice. You can go ahead to delete view, rename it, add and remove fields and all that. But let's export our SharePoint. To export our SharePoint, click on export. You export to Excel. We need to export to Excel. You keep this file, we open it, and a dialog will open up, and you enable this query. After enabling it, you will see the list, which is made up of the title, the book author, and the additional columns we added as the created by to modify by. Thank you very much. I am Prince Adimado, and see you on the next video.